Quality Management Interview Questions 2026. Most popular quality management interview questions in 2026. Quality management is a sphere gaining a lot of importance in project management as well as in other global industries. Its importance has become evident in recent times when industries emphasize maintaining a proper quality standard for their services and products.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
To secure the position of project management professional, a candidate needs to have in-depth knowledge about quality management interview questions. These questions help candidates secure a good job in the market. There are many types of quality management interview questions that determine the caliber and skills of any person with a desire to be quality management professional. This extensive process of evaluation is necessary as quality management professionals should have quick thinking and a grip over quality management fundamentals. Key job responsibilities make this job tough and crucial for companies to function properly. The person applying for the job needs to see the entire quality management process from a wider perspective. They have to face quality management interview questions before becoming eligible for a job. If they clear the interview, they can pursue a great career as a quality management professional. Clearing the interview is the first step towards a sound future. Interviewers ask different types of quality management interview questions to candidates. Some of the questions are conceptual and others are perspective-oriented. Each question has an important role to play in assessing the candidate. Conceptual questions mostly aim at testing the theoretical knowledge of the candidate, whereas perspective-oriented questions aim at testing practical knowledge. Quality management interview questions. What are the key responsibilities of a candidate working in the quality control process? Oversight is the key area of focus for any quality control candidate. The candidates have the responsibility to define and describe quality controlling events in detail to minimize oversight. A quality assurance check is the other key responsibility that the candidate needs to manage methodically. Quality management is one of the most professional fields in the world. What has been your greatest take or achievement in the field of quality management? This question is not tricky at all. Interviewers consider a candidate who has commendable achievements in the field of quality processing and management. If the candidate has decreased the product recall by surpassing quality inspection and quality control by a large margin, or they have improved the PR or customer satisfaction through their work, they are appreciated by any company they like. Quality managers need to have many qualities in order to be fruitful in their roles. Which quality do you think is the most priced and valued position in a data managing professional? Here, the candidate can give many answers according to their own preference. But the most common and industrially correct answers include the assessment efficiency of details, diligence, and organizational enhancer as key attributes of any quality manager. The delegation has improved many sectors, including quality management. What is your take on this statement concerning quality management? The interviewers try to find a person who is a team player and understands the essence of team spirit. Candidates should ideally answer this question by focusing on how delegation helps in personal development and how team spirit can yield better results. The candidate should also state how they can guide their juniors or newcomers in understanding their future responsibilities and decision-making dilemma they might face as quality management professionals and project managers. They should also emphasize teaching the subordinates the importance of their decisions and what effect these decisions have on your project. Human error is very natural and can occur either out of negligence or mistakes. What is the mistake you did in your project management career? How did you tackle the problem? The candidate should emphasize the importance of paying attention to details and duties. The project management documentation process calls for a lot of attention, as any minor mistake could lead to customer dissatisfaction or even serious lawsuits being filed against the organization. Significant losses might also occur, which can be financially burdening for the organization if project management mistakes are not tackled. Interviewers look for a candidate who learns from their mistakes and uses them to mold the future. The most ideal stories project management that a candidate should say in order to get the interviewers interested in hiring them should be related to a blunder that they could correct after realizing their mistake. It shouldn't have caused any harm to the company. The candidate should also include the valuable lesson they understood from the incident, how they put it into their work in the later stages of their career. They might also ask more context-related questions other than personal questions. These include preferences and conceptual questions. Quality management interview questions. There are many quality assurance techniques in the market. Which one do you prefer and what made you choose it? This question aims at reflecting the candidate's grip over quality management processes. The candidate should mention the quality assurance techniques tool he/she used and their experience with that particular tool. Here is an example of how to answer it. My experience has been very pleasant using my tool of choice. I and my entire team relied on the waterfall model, as we were sure that it yields our results. It helped us design the ideal test plan as it made the flaws evident. We listed these defects and moved toward the actual processes. As far as I am concerned, the Scrum board is my favorite way to organize tasks. Fogbugs is my tool of choice to identify bugs in the processes.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.